So for us, the focus is really on the content, right? Where I really just take a page out of so when I was younger, my father passed away when I was young from cancer. And I received, this is just a quick story. I received a signed Reggie Miller poster in the mail. And I won it in some magazine thing. And I wasn't even a basketball fan. I wasn't a Reggie Miller fan. But when that poster got to me, it meant a lot. And all of a sudden, I became a huge Reggie Miller fan, and I began following everything that he did. And as I developed as a young person, I sort of continued to look up to this guy. And I suspect that a lot of the moments that we have in our lives follow along those lines, right? And so I'm really just trying to connect the fans to the people that inspire them, right? To the moments that they care about, the things that spark their creativity, and the sort of moments in time that add up to that put smiles on their faces. And I think that this is just something that, it's in that sort of channel that we're all headed towards. Right? When we look back, the big problem of like Facebook and TikTok is that in reality, these aren't platforms that are designed to connect people. They say that they are, but that's not what they're doing. What they're doing is manipulating attention to run ads, right? That's it. All of the incentive mechanisms on the platform are designed to show you more ads. As a matter of fact, TikTok will throttle new users and content to just engineer a better ad funnel for themselves. Like, that's it. It has nothing to do with what is trending or what is good content, who has the most followers. It is just a mechanism to increase revenue and the bottom line at TikTok, right? So once you begin to understand that, you can look and say, well, this has totally disconnected us from the fan-creator relationship, right? And we believe that crypto, right, between NFTs, certain topics, and DeFi, and of course blockchain, are the only combination of technologies to actually bring that back, right, and put it on a digital world, right? That utility around content and that closeness to the creator, right? The idea of superfans.